our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find trending songs on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. After that, if you want to find the trending songs on Instagram, then you just have to tap on the reels. Then if you scroll like this, you will find a video with a trending song, and after tapping on here you will find the trending song. If you want to use it later, then you can also do it by tapping on here. Then if you tap on use audio, then you can use this audio in your Instagram reels. Now if you tap on the search bar, in here if you guys can also find out the trending songs. You just have to select a reel, then you can see the reel, and if you tap on the here, then you can see the audio. And if this video is made with a trending song, you can find out the trending song and you can also use it. So this is how you can find out trending songs on Instagram app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.